The days of full service are pretty much over. Yeah, we're looking at you, New Jersey. But sometimes stores may want to turn on the token attendant mode and offer full service, during flu season, for example. Here's how to set that up. To start, make sure you have token attendant mode turned on for your dispenser. From the manager workstation, go to Setup, Forecourt, Dispenser Options. Select your dispenser. Select the dispenser by double-clicking. For the dispenser mode list, select Token Attended. Select Update List. Select Save and confirm by selecting Yes. From the cashier's workstation, select Dispenser menu, then Attended Options. Sign in with your employee number and password. You may be prompted to open a new till and enter an opening balance for the attendant. Tap Activate Token and enter or swipe your token identifier. Icons will appear on the corresponding dispensers in the forecourt display. Passport will start logging fuel sales with the attendant on duty when they swipe their token at the dispenser before fueling. Hit Back to return to the cashier workstation. Now, all your customers have to do is say, "Fill her up," just like the old days.